So as we make way for the boys class 3 final, we want to welcome our listeners on Radio 94, RGR 94 FM. We've got Robinson, Richards, Phillips, Lewis, Laing, Jones, Bent and Hunter for the class 3 boys 100-meter hurdles final, where the record is 12.87 seconds, set by Neil Matthew Sutherland in 2018. 4 sprint hurdles finals have been gotten out of the way. And we have 3 to go, including this one coming up, the class 3 boys contest.
Yeah, Spencer. Events like the sprint hurdles swing momentum in any championship. And for the boys' side, it begins now.
In lane 1 from Calabar, Chadwick Robinson.
Chad in the semi-finals. Last to qualify, 13.97.
Lane 2, Denton Richards from Jamaica College.
The JC fans will look on at his 13.42.
He's the corporate era champion. This man is a corporate era silver medalist. Adrian Phillips from JC in lane 3.
Yeah, Phillips looks good. Phillips looks good. 12.96 in qualifying.
Lane 4, Alex Lewis of Calabar.
5th in the 100-meter final. He's a fine hurdler. Good technician, 13.35.
Lane 5, Jamali Laing from William Knibb, the Western champion.
Now, we've heard a lot about everyone from William Knibb. This is another name to look out for.
Lane 6, Drequan Jones from Kingston College.
They can bring the house down in this event. Jones looks to get gold.
Lane 7, the Central champion, Dylan Bent, Manchester High.
Show me from the Central, who is your representative?
In lane 8, Zachary Hunter from Kingston College.
The confidence oozing through the veins of the defending champions. They would want to get big points from this event. They have to. They're chasing pack, trying to dethrone them. Led by Jamaica College, they have to. But eyes on Laing of William Knibb and Phillips. Laing
on your marks.
The fastest class 3 boy this year. But Phillips dipped below 13 seconds to take over that title. We expect a big final.
2 from Calabar, 2 from Jamaica College, 2 from Kingston College. And overall, the top 4 from the Corporate Era Championships are back for this finale. We've got the Central champion as well.
Set.
The set position. Off they go. Very good start by Adrian Phillips. Oh, no. And if someone is in some problems now.
Again, I'll not look at the replay because I may need to get my eyes tested. But nothing clear to me from that. And if he gets disqualified for this reaction time, I will be really truly surprised.
So we await the outcome. It's a green card. The nerves have been settled.
Yeah, but Spencer, this is the inconsistency that I speak about. So the reaction time for Chadwick Robinson was 0.099. And just before that, in the girls' sprint hurdles,
you need to be perfectly still when you come to your set. Okay? Perfectly still when you come to your set. On your marks.
Starter just reminding the competitors that they need to be perfectly still when they're in the set position. Class 3 boys 100-meter hurdles final.
Set.
Off they go this time, and Adrian Phillips of Jamaica College got another fabulous start. He's leading the pack. Look at the Western champion. Jamali Laing of William Knibb joins the conversation now. Phillips and Laing. Phillips and Laing on the outside. It looks like Jamali Laing from William Knibb, the Western champion, has taken the Class 3 boys 100-meter gold medal. Yes, he has, in 13.07 seconds. Silver in 13.12, going to Adrian Phillips of Jamaica College. Bronze in 13.46 has been taken by Alex Lewis of Calabar.
Laing of William Nib came on strong in the end to take that. Reminds me of Hansel Parchment, closes well in the hurdle, but it's Phillips of Jamaica College who gets to the first hurdle first, running well here. Phillips, at this point, looking like the race was done and dusted here. And this is where Laing of William Nib starts to step forward, accelerating in between the hurdles and clearing the final barrier here. Steps ahead of Phillips of Jamaica College to take the victory. Came in as the favorite, Laing. Tall, powerful, hurdling well, bringing the trail leg around, and not in the lead at this moment. And this is where he steps forward ahead of Phillips, who started brilliantly from Jamaica College, explosive out the blocks. And for a second there, it looked like Phillips had everything going for him, and he did. He did up until hurdle 7, 8, where Laing of William Nib, tall figure, steps forward, hurdling well, staying focused, powering through to take the Class 3 boys 100-meter hurdles final. There he celebrates, gets a crowd excited. He has a gold medal at Champs.